After years of research, BioS Solutions is proud to introduce a true breakthrough for restoration pros. Restore One, the all-in-one coating for every job. Mold, mildew, smoke, fire, trauma. No matter the damage, Restore One is built to handle it. We've combined the power of our mold-resistant coating and smoke and odor encapsulant into a single professional-grade formula, so you no longer need to stock different products for different jobs. Restore One saves time, reduces waste, and simplifies your inventory, helping you get more done with less. It features a matrix of antimicrobials for tough mold and mildew, a powerful odor counteractant, and high solids and pigments for superior coverage and fewer coats. Use it on walls, ceilings, and even HVAC systems. It's low odor, low VOC, and FBC Lubrizol certified, so it's perfect for CPVC piping and use in less ventilated spaces. Available in multiple finishes, Restore One goes on smooth, dry strong, and protects the treated surfaces long term. No more half-used pails sitting on the shelf. No more guesswork on the job site. Use one product for every job with total confidence. BioS Restore One, the new standard in restoration.